Well, let's look at how you can make presentation from your photos on Flickr. You go to the website called Spresent, and it's spresent.com, as you can see. And first you have to create an account. If you don't have one, you have to click one and create one. This will create your server storage, basically, where you can save your presentations, and it's a standard stuff. You can create your, you have to enter your whatever email address you use, and just you put your name, so when you send email to others, they will know whom it comes from, password and security question, and other standard sign-up process. So let me just switch to the one that I have, and I just click on connect. Once I connect, I get into this login screen, and let's say I'll say create a new presentation, and I'll choose like a first standard template. The animation may be slow because I'm recording right now from the screen. It actually requires Flash 6 or up, and it works on any platform. Let's say just a crazy day in Paris, something like this. It's just some sample presentation, and let's say November 2006. These tabs allows you to drag your presentation. It allows you to drag your objects on the screen, so that they would, even if they would overlap, it would not really bother you because you can grab one at a time. So let's just insert a new slide, and this time we'll choose just the little headline, and let's say they just call it Paris, like this. Well, what we're going to do next is just we're going to drag a web image on the slide. So once we drag that, instead I can enter any URL for any JPEG file on the web. You can go to Google and grab one and just paste it here through using the right mouse click paste, or you just can click on the browse, and then this will open the Flickr directly from here. And we have this little search engine for Flickr right away. Let me just type Paris, and or you can type whatever photos how you label your photos. So right now I just have Paris. Let me just grab, for example, this one. Okay, that sounds good enough. So I'll just add this image. What it does right now, it just copy the link, just took a link for Flickr from Flickr and just paste it into my presentation. And again, I'm in the browser in Spresent. So there's one image, and then of course I can add another image, and I'll just do the same thing, repeat the same sequence of steps, and we'll see the images showing up live from Flickr. So if I'll see something, some of my photos here, when I'll type for my text, I'll just grab one. I'll just let me take this one. Okay, and I said add image. Okay, so let me just now take this label, just type Control D, it will duplicate the label, and I'll just take it and copy it somewhere here, and that's it. And so let me just say me, and I can even add an error like this. Let's say just draw an error, some like a block error, just in case you wouldn't see it. I'll just grab this little thing over here so I can rotate it, and let me just move it. Let's say that's me, in case it looks like it's somewhere in Montmartre. So that's it. That's how I did the presentation. What I do next, I just click publish, and now I can send this as an email to pretty much anybody. I don't remember the last email, so let me just type gmail.com and send. Okay, now the person that I send email to will receive this presentation as a standalone Flash 2-slide presentation, and he can go and basically navigate like this in any browser with all the animations, and there'll be some little buttons on the bottom, or you can use the screens, and that's how it will show up. I can also animate it a little bit. I can go and say this image and hold the shift key and click on this one and say I want to animate it, and I want to add an effect called let's say move in, and I want sequence them, so each of them will start one at a time after the previous one. So it will show like this: Paris, then the photos, then the slide. That's it. So that's how you can make a photo album from Flickr Photos and send them to anybody using Spresent.